And Now Foundation, India's first non-profit organization exclusively promoting internet ethics and digital well-being. Parental Guide on Cyberbullying. Cyberbullying has become prevalent after the internet revolution. Bullying is bullying, irrespective of age it's been in society, and no parent wishes to learn that their child is being bullied, be it physically, mentally or in the virtual world. Is your child a victim of cyberbullying? When a child is being cyberbullied, it's hard for them to open up. They don't know what to do at that time. Losing track of time whenever he or she is in front of the computer. The children have difficulty in completing the task or work and keeps it piling up. Isolation from other people and would like to be alone. The child becomes defensive over excessive use of internet. Obsessively checking the cell phone to see if there are any messages. As a parent, you need to take onus and take a key role, preventing and stopping which is the key factor. Always be positive when giving feedback when they do well, in turn this builds their self-esteem. Give them self-confidence to stand up for what they believe in. Teach resolution without any violence. Discuss their day, the positives and negative, be open every day for a few minutes. Don't mock your children in front of others because negative breeds bring negative outcomes. Openly discussing with your child. Being open and upfront, not hiding anything. All they have to do is ask and this will give them confidence and build their self-esteem. Trust should be built and this is critical.